gosh, exactly what I did not want to happen happened, but it's fine. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. For today's video, I want to attempt to color my hair using this coloring wax that I got from Amazon. It looks like this, and I am so excited to try it because I am not brave enough to dye my hair, so I think this is the safest way I can temporarily color it to see how it would look. And if you're interested, just keep watching. This is the color! So this is how it looks. I just did a little blow. Crazy. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna like brush it in so the process is, because I'm gonna take like a reasonable amount and just kind of brush it in. And I'm rubbing it in circular motions so it can kind of like, I don't know, just bring out some curls or something, like what I would do if I'm adding like eco styling gel or leave-in conditioner into my hair to make them curls pop. I kind of want to do my eyebrows, but I actually don't hate it, but I want to just kind of style it and do my edges and kind of like make it look more I'm just gonna FaceTime my best friend and see what the reaction is. Okay, let me show you, because like this was okay, ready. What do you think?
It's actually really nice.
Really? You actually like it?
I actually quite like it, yeah.
Really?
It's very different. I was so scared it was going to be like green.
So this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Based on this look, I just did my edges and I did a little side part and removed some of the color that was in my roots because it looked really messy. Thank you guys so much for watching.